Hello friends, welcome to AffairsCloud Learn to Lead. Good morning to all the students. As you know, we already started topic-wise current affair in explained manner. It means one topic, one video in explained manner. And today topic of discussion is a very big event. This is Asian Boxing Championship which was held at Mongolia. So this video is very important for every type of exam. So watch this video till last. So let's discuss about the Asian Boxing Championship 2026. So the first important point here, where it was held. So it was held at Ulaanbaatar in Mongolia. Examiner can ask both things. One is the city, one is the country. So this point is most important. And what is the rank of India? Indian boxing team secured second place. This is very important. India boxing team secured second place with 16 medals. And out of 16 medals, 5 were gold, 3 were silver, and 8 were bronze medal. I will show the list in last, but you have to remember Indian rank is second and total medals 16. Which country topped this index? Kazakhstan topped this index with 15 medals, and out of 15, 6 were gold, 4 were silver, and 5 were bronze medal. And third rank goes to Uzbekistan. Uzbekistan total medals were 14. Out of 14 medals, you can remember 4 were gold, 2 were silver, and 8 were bronze medal. But the most important here, 2 points. One is which country topped this index? This is Kazakhstan. India's rank is second, and the hosting country. Hosting country is Mongolia. Exact place is Ulaanbaatar. And what is about Asian Boxing Championship 2026? So the championship marked the inaugural elite edition under the Asian Boxing and the first continental event aligned with the World Boxing Ranking System. And this 2026 event was organized by Mongolian Boxing Federation in affiliation with the Asian Boxing. And finalists in approved weight categories earn direct qualification for the 2026 Commonwealth Games, which will be held in Glasgow. This is again very important question, that 2026 Commonwealth Games will be held at Glasgow, and the finalists in approved weight categories earn direct qualification also for 2026 Asian Games, which will be held in Aichi, Nagoya, which is in Japan. You can also remember two things are very important. And the event featured approximately 250 boxers across Asia. So now what is about the key performances? So India secured total 16 medals, with women team contributing 10 medals including 4 gold. Out of 5, 4 are won by women team. And the men's team adding 6 including 1 gold. So total 16 medals were there. The women team dominated across 10 weight categories with standout golds by Meenakshi Hooda, Preeti Pawar, Priya Gangas and Arundhati Chaudhary. And you can also remember the category, like Meenakshi Hooda won under the 48 kg category, Preeti Pawar under the 54 kg category, Priya Gangas under the 60 kg category, and Arundhati Chaudhary won under 70 kg category. In the men's, you can remember Vishwanath Suresh, the alone person in the men's category who won the gold medal, because out of 5, 4 is basically related to women team and 1 is related to men's team. You can see the list here. You can see the name Vishwanath Suresh. Only men who won the gold medal in 50 kg category, and rest 4 are basically women. So this is very good achievement by Indian team and especially the women. Total 5 medals. And if we are talking about silver category, you can see 3 medals are basically silver medals, and out of 3, 1 is related to men's team and 2 are related to women team. In the men's, it is won by Sachin. In the women team, it is won by Jasmine and Alfia. And in the bronze category, 4 medals are won by men's team and 4 medals are won by women team. So, but the gold is very important. Vishwanath Suresh is there, the only man who won the gold medal, and 4 women who won the gold medal. You can remember their names. This is very, very important. If we are talking about country-wise, then you can see Kazakhstan is there, total 15 medals, first rank. Second rank, this is very important, India's rank is second and total 16 medals. Third rank, Uzbekistan. Fourth is China. Fifth is Japan. Now you can revise from the single slide. This is 2026 Asian Boxing Championship, and the hosting state is Ulaanbaatar and the country is Mongolia, and the organizer is Asian Boxing. Asian Boxing, you can remember, Asian Boxing serves as the continental governing body for amateur boxing in the Asias under World Boxing. And its headquarters is in Bangkok in Thailand. And it was established in the year of 2024. And what is the India's rank? India's rank is second. First rank goes to Kazakhstan. And the main Indian gold medal winners are Vishwanatha Suresh in men's category, and rest are women. And you can remember the name of all the 4 women who won the gold medals. So this was all for today. I hope you liked this video. Please share this video as maximum as possible, and please press the like button, and you can also subscribe our channel for this type of videos. Thank you guys. Take care and bye bye.